Okay, good day everyone. So today I will be teaching you on how to copy the link of your Google Meet created. So here uh kindly go to Google Chrome, just click google.com and make sure that you already log into your Google account. And then once you already log into your Google account, kindly click Google Apps and then kindly go to Meet, this one. Click this Meet, and then let's say, for example, you are going to create a new meeting. So click New Meeting, and then you will have now the option, create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So let's say, for example, your meeting will about to start so you can create a meeting for later. But if you are going to start a meeting instantly, click start an instant meeting. So let's say, for example, your meeting is scheduled on another day. You can click schedule in Google Calendar. So here in our example for today, let's create an instant meeting. So here, so as you can see, this is what happened. So now you will be prompt here in our Google Meet page. So this is now the page for our Google Meet. We already create a meeting. Now, if you want to invite participants and you want to copy the link, just simply click this one, the link above, and then just simply Control C and then send it with the participants that you want to join your Google meeting. So let's say, for example, I paste it so it will be prompt to the Google meeting. So that's how you copy the Google Meet link and invite people to your Google meeting. So that's it for today. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.